Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to properly manage your money. Before we get into the ways how to help manage your money, let's go over some statistical numbers. Bro, 58% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved. Millennial Americans have a median emergency savings account of just $2,000. Suck. Statistical numbers also show that 50% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Fun fact, only 32% of American families maintain a household budget. That's terrible. These are astronomical calculations. While I understand each and every person and family situation is very different, you still need to be able to manage your money. Because if you cannot manage your money, with the small accounts, how can you manage a bigger account? Well, in other words, Americans fuck at saving and balancing a budget. The most three effective ways how to properly manage your money is income, budget, and save. It is a very simple yet powerful concept. Problem is, people just don't know how to use it. Income. Regardless of whatever financial bracket you fall into, you still need to learn how to manage your money. Obviously, before you can get there, you need to have reliable income. I don't care if you work at 7-Eleven or you are a CEO of a company. You can have a sizable savings account if you follow these three simple steps. Next, budgeting. Budgeting is a successful financial plan for a defined period of time. Now guys, remember, only 32% of Americans do what I'm telling you to do right now, which is why they are in their current financial state that they're in. Don't complicate this. Allocate X amount of dollars to cover your monthly expenses and don't go over. It's about willpower, man. Now, some of you may say, Mario, what do I do in the event of something unexpectedly happening in 1 month? My answer? Even more of a reason to get started so that you're not cycling yourself into cash advance hoops. Last topic, savings. You need to set aside 20% of your total monthly income into your savings account. This will come in handy for those unexpected events that we just talked about. Stop eating, you fucks. The number one reason people don't have a savings is because they spend their pocket money on food. Just to put it in perspective for you guys, the average American spends $20 per day on eating out. If you take that same $20 and save it for 1 year, you will have roughly about $7,280 in your savings account. That can go towards an investment for your future so that you are not a part of the 50% of Americans that's living paycheck to paycheck. What people don't understand is that budgeting and saving is on the basis of willpower and deny yourself, thinking about the bigger picture for your future. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in trading, visit www.thetradingacademy7.com.